We know you're a manager constantly facing new challenges, constantly thinking about how to seize opportunities to grow and improve your team's productivity. But at the same time, you worry about the company's situation and the times we're living in. You wonder, is my company ready? At Alpha Consulting, we believe your company's present can be better and its future brighter. We're ready to help you because we design and implement solutions with you that improve your company's activities. Our best gets you results. Our goal is to make your company better. Yet solutions can't be found on the surface, but only by digging down to the very bottom. And while others just point out the problems, we're fully committed to you every step of the way, turning potential improvements into real and measurable results. Our team is behind us. Rely on specialized professionals at your service all over the world. There are no quick fixes, but there are specific methodologies applied at each stage of the value chain, and we give this to you. Only someone with a deep understanding of your company and field is able to provide you with the best results. We pride ourselves on our 100% commitment, and from now on, you will too. Alpha Consulting. With you, come rain or shine.